Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. I've been trying to straighten up the clutter a little bit, but I wanted to take a few minutes and show you the coolest thing that I got this Christmas. It's a real doozy. The other gift I got for Christmas was a live broadcast boom arm. It's a Yulan, made in China. Comes packaged in this handy case, and I think I'm going to keep this case just to keep all the different parts safe, clean, and protected. Very similar to this boom arm. This one is designed to clamp onto the edge of the bench, but it has a few extra features. Very similar to this boom. This one clamps on the edge of the bench. It has a few extra features. It has several extra arms. Now in the pictures, they show this actually mounted on the side opposite to me on the bench, but I don't know that I might not want to have this mounted off to the side so I can work it. I don't know, we're gonna have to see. This is all new stuff. Solidly made. Let's see, we'll tip this back. And now I have room to move things around a little bit. And this is a microphone stand. This is designed to go into this arm. I think this is going to take a bit of getting used to. I can imagine that since this is for vlogging, and I don't do a whole lot of vlogging, what I wanted it to do is allow me to mount a camera onto the arm like this, and adjust this down so that the camera is mounted directly in front of me. And I have a feeling this is going to be a bit like learning to play the piano, because it has so many variations on it. And I'm a firm believer that I can have too many things. By the time I get everything all hooked up, sometimes it is just too much to manage. And with all this rig, I'm actually going to be hidden from the camera. I never could get both hands doing opposite things. One has to be pretty much following the other. So, while I'm having fun with this, you guys get to watch. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching. This is going to be quite the deal.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.